now?
6
You
o'clock.
just said there's a delay. You just said there was a delay.
Yes, sir, Gerard. Have a nice trip.
Normally sail at 5, don't they?
6 o'clock this one.
Hey?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock now.
It's supposed to.
Right.
Yeah, it's supposed to sail at 6 o'clock.
Do you still want to watch it, do you?
Well, just as well. It's weird how we said to come down and just have a look at the boats. I didn't have the note.
What do you think of it?
I got the other one and white. Oh, eh?
Yeah, I've got you one way.
We're 17:23 now. So you've got another 35 minutes. High ferry. Yeah.
What a force on it, isn't it?
Warship Duncan, Southampton VHS on channel 12, over.
So that's what you want to do then, you want to go on one of those.
No, say look at what colours. Look into it.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Could you tell me your intentions, please, now?
This is what
They
I've
said
got.
they loved it.
This is what I was talking about, really. It's gone on, was it around 2 years?
They said
Yeah, Warship Duncan, the VHS, that's all received. Thank you. Traffic information, the Spirit Bliss in there just passed. Yeah. West of the nav, outward bound. Falcon, VHS, thank you, sir. Ashley R, VHS, thank you.
You must have seen that online. I've never heard of the Atlantis.
I'll have a look.
Yes, Shannon Fisher, VHS, you're underway now. That's all received. Thank you. Traffic information. We have a small container vessel, the Lisa, just approaching the Sturbridge, outward bound. Okay, sir, thank you. Great, X features, thank you. return VHS, thank you. Yep. Yes, sir, in cover VHS, that's all received, thank you.